How do you insert a beta symbol in Google Docs? Well, there are 3 ways you can try. Let me show you. The first one is by using the Alt plus 225 keys on the numeric key, and it will create that beta symbol immediately in your computer. So let me press and hold the Alt key on my keyboard and then followed by 225. And there you go, we got this nice beta symbol. And if you're using the portable device like laptop or maybe small tablet, then usually you don't have the numeric key on the right side of the keyboard, and therefore you have to press Alt and then the F and keys at the same time and then hold them together, and you can type the 225 on the upper numeric key on your keyboard. That's how you can do it on portable devices. And the second method is by using special characters. This is pretty straightforward. Just go to the insert menu, click special characters, and you can type beta on the search bar, and we'll get plenty of options for the beta symbols. Let's try this symbol. I think I'm trying to get the one that is similar to the previous example. I think, I don't know, that everything looks the same, so maybe I'm going to try this one. Okay, that looks a bit different, but as you can see here, there are many options that you can insert to your document. So anyway, let's try to use the auto replace feature in Google Docs. So basically, when you type something on the document, Google Docs will detect that text and will convert that into the symbol that you want. In this case, we want to replace it with the beta symbol. So let me just copy this beta symbol, and then let's go to the tools menu, click preferences, and then click substitutions. And then here I want to replace the word, let's say beta. I'm going to add slash so I won't accidentally change the word beta on my document. So I just give some indication that this is not going to be a normal word, this is going to be just a keyword. And after that, let's paste the beta symbol right here and click OK. So when I type slash beta and then followed by spacebar, it will turn into this character, the same one as we discussed earlier. So those are a few methods you can try to draw a beta symbol in Google Docs. I hope you find this video helpful.